Hello viewers, once again I am here with the method for valuation of goodwill. In my preceding theoretical discussions, I discussed about the meaning, features, factors affecting the value of goodwill as well as the need for valuation of goodwill under different situations. At today's class especially I have taken for calculation the value of goodwill from accounting point of view. There are broadly three methods for calculation of value of goodwill, and among them average profit method, super profit method, capitalization profit method. So all these I will explain one by one. So today I will focus on the method of average profit. So under average profit method, past profits of a number of years are taken into consideration, and average profit may be based on simple average profit or weighted average profit. So in this method, value of goodwill is calculated using either simple average profit or weighted average profit. Now, if in the simple average profit method, the average of last few years profit is calculated. So, last few years profits may be taken by a business partnership firm, 4 years last profit, past year's profit as a base for calculation the value of goodwill. Each year's profit is given equal weight. The average profit is multiplied by a given number of years to arrive at the value of goodwill. Under simple average profit method, let us understand this fact with the help of an illustration. So here an illustration. The profit earned by a business over the last 5 years was rupees 5,000, 6,000, rupees 4,000, rupees 3,000 and rupees 2,000. Find out the value of the goodwill of the business if it is based on 3 years purchase of the last 5 years profit. So last 5 years profit is taken as a base for calculation of value of goodwill, and the solution is calculation of value of goodwill by simple average profit method. The following steps are to be followed for calculating value of goodwill under this method. Total profit for the last 5 years, rupees 5,000, rupees 6,000 plus rupees 4,000 plus rupees 3,000 plus rupees 2,000. If there is a loss, it is to be deductible minus. Now the total profit, it comes 20,000. This is a 5,000 plus 6,000. Amount is 20,000, and this 20,000 is of the year 5 years, so it should be divided by 5, and here the average profit is calculated. Average profit is obtained, total profit of last 5 years divided by number of years 5. So and it is for 4,000 the average profit, and this 4,000 is to be maintained in upcoming period is 3 years, that is it is to be multiplied by 3. So here value of goodwill equal average profit into number of years purchase, and this is the 3 years is given. So average profit 20,000 total profit divided by 5 number of years of profit 5, average is 4,000, and this average profit is to be multiplied by number of years, that is 3 given in the question. Average profit by into number of years purchase, so 4,000 into multiplied by 3, the value obtained is 12,000. Hence this is the value of goodwill. All of you have seen that under simple average profit method how value of goodwill is ascertained, taking the past average profit of number of years. It depends on partnership firm that past how many years profit shall be taken for calculation of value of goodwill. Okay, now and the profit of the past 4 years or 5 years is completely depends on agreement of partners and which is mentioned in partnership deed. Now question is arising that the past year's profit, how these like here the 5,000 rupees plus 6,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees. While taking this amount of profit of past year, so it is essential to keep the fact in mind that the profit should be normal profit. It should not be included any abnormal loss or any abnormal gain. So here I want to show this. While calculating average profit, the following points must be considered. Number one, a abnormal income of a year should be deducted out of the net profit for the year. If the abnormal income is included, then it should be deducted, and similarly abnormal loss of a year should be added to the net profit for that year, and any outside income or income not related to the business like income from investment should be deducted out of net profit for that year. The amount of profit which is computed, it is the normal profit, and this normal profit will be taken for calculation of value of goodwill. Now abnormal income like sale of fixed assets and profit arising, that is profit on sale of fixed asset, abnormal income, and loss on sale of fixed asset, abnormal loss. Any outside income, that is any outside income, that is dividend received, interest on investment received, these are outside income. If any are included in the profit, if these amounts are included in the profit should be adjusted. That is, after giving the effect of plus amount and minus amount of all these abnormal income, abnormal loss, any income, any outside income included, then the balance which is obtained is a normal profit, and that normal profit is to be taken for valuation of goodwill. Now I am showing you one more illustration under weighted average profit method. The weighted average profits are taken for the last few years. The profit of each year multiplied by assigned weight to arrive at weighted profit, which is total, and total weighted profit is divided by total weights to get the weighted average profit, and the same value is multiplied by number of years purchased to get the value of goodwill. The weight of each year's profit is not the same. The weight, giving weight to each year profit means giving importance, and generally these weights are provided in the questions. Have a look as a solution on the basis of weighted average profit method, how value of goodwill is calculated. The profit of a firm for the year ended 31st March for the last 5 years were as follows. So here we are taken 2017, the amount of profits 20,000, 2018 amount of profit made by business 25,000. Similarly, 2000, this is the 2019 rupees 30,000. Year is omitted to type here, so it is a 2019. And 2020 rupees 25,000 and 21 rupees 20,000. So these are the profits over the last 5 years. And now calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit after weights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively to the profit for 2017, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So in examinations question, goodwill is to be calculated under weighted average profit method. So then the weights are generally provided in the question. Now the solution. Calculation of value of goodwill by weighted average profit method. Here the table is drawn. This is the year, and this is the profit, and this is the weights given in the question, and this profit into weight, it is the product. Now for the, it is given in the question for the year ended 31st March. So here 31st March 2017, 20,000 multiplied by 1, same 20,000, and 31st March 2018, rupees 25,000 profit multiplied by 2, it is rupees 50,000. Similarly 31st March 19, 30,000 into 3, 90,000. 31st March 2020, 25,000 profit multiplied by 4, so it is 1 lakh rupees. And 31st March 2021, 20,000 multiplied by 5, it is rupees 1 lakh. So weights, giving weights mean giving importance to the profit of that particular period. 31st March 2021 year's profit is given the maximum weightage, that is 5, and preceding to this year 4 weightage. So this way, so the first year the weightage is less, and following year weightage is little more greater than the first year, initial year. Likewise the weightage is, so in this weights we get in the questions. Now the sum total of this product, 20,000 plus 50,000 plus 90,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1 lakh. So total is 3,60,000, and this 3,60,000 shall be divided by 15. This is the total weights. This is weight is obtained here. So 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. This is the total weights, 15, and 3,60,000 divided by 15. So then you will get weighted average profit. This is the weighted average profit calculation is done. So weighted average profit equal total of the product divided by total of the weights. So this is 3,60,000 divided by 15, and amount is rupees 24,000, and it is given that 3 years purchase. So goodwill, value of goodwill is 20,000 multiplied by 3 and equal rupees 72,000. So this 72,000 is the value of goodwill of this partnership firm. This is the value of goodwill. Well viewers, so here I had explained you about the average profit method, and average profit method, the calculation of goodwill is done by take simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. So all of you watch it, like, subscribe the channel and share with friends. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.